place. This is very, very great. Let's call it a paradise, you know. White sand, kind people, you know. See Lawrence Palek? He's very nice. He's the one responsible for us here. See the limestone cliffs, the forest, you know, the vegetation, and very rich marine and aquatic resources. Look at these people, they are cleaning the shore. They are very responsible for this. You know, I have been to many places, but this one, no, let's call it a paradise. See? Very white sand. Who could this be? You know? Oh my God. This is a very good place. You know, I'm with Henry C.
Oh, Enrico, inspectionin mo yung ano.
Oh my God, that's my boss. So that's Lawrence Palek, that's the landscape supervisor Camilo. And he's the one who's responsible for bringing us here.
Ano?
We will be having breakfast.
Oo nga daw eh.
So these are,
Do you want to greet someone?
yes, I want to greet Bea, my long lost, no, that's secret.
Taiga.
Your long lost.
Lost. No? I wonder if she's with me now in this place.
Patay na ba yun?
Very nice place.
How about
I can write on the sand. See?
write Bea's name?
Very simple. That's beta, epsilon, and alpha. Bea.
Bea.
Ano, Carmina? Ingit ka? Kayo dyan, sa Alex Baños. Tingnan nyo. Para ako nasa, paraiso ng kalangitan. Ito na kami. Kayo, yung mga nag-aaral sa akin dyan, sino ba?
How about Bernadette?
Bernadette. Teka. Bernadette ha? Adriano. Hindi Mendoza. Dito, Bea. Iukot ko pangalan dito. Kasi mga puno dito, Bea.